I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by validating prerequisites. Confirm the server IP, port, and whether you use UDP or TCP because mismatch is the most common blocker. Next, check the Openvpn service status on server and client, restart it if needed. Make sure your client config points to the right. Openvpn and that certificate file names match. Also synchronize system clocks with NTP so TLS handshakes don't fail. Once those basics are correct, move to network and log inspection for deeper issues. Now you probe connectivity and certificates using logs and tools. Tail both client and server logs and look specifically for auth, verify, or TLS errors that indicate cert or key problems. Then test basic reachability. Ping the server IP and use telnet or NC to probe the configured port. A closed port points to firewall or listener issues. Inspect firewall rules on both ends, NAT and port forwarding on routers, and ensure IP forwarding is enabled on the server. Once you apply corrective actions, replace mismatched server/client configs, reissue certificates if verification fails, and ensure server. Conf or Openvpn uses the right proto and dev type. Restart OpenVPN services and on NAT devices, flush connection tracking entries if sessions persist. Confirm successful TLS handshake in logs and test traffic routing through the tunnel. If it still won't connect, increase verbosity to verb 4 to 6 and capture the failing handshake. That log line is the single most useful troubleshooting tip to pinpoint remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.